Hi guys, welcome to the video explanation of the group number 3 in which we are going to be talking about how to express wishes in English. So let us start. First of all, to wish means a feeling that somebody would like to have or when someone wants to do something or to see something happening. These kinds of desires represent a strong inclination for a specific thing, but these things are unlikely or impossible to happen or to be real. So, this is the context in which we can express wishes in English within the grammatical tenses that we have in English. That's why we are going to focus on this video on expressing wishes about the past, the present, and also the future. Below of this slide, you have some examples, and as you can notice, we need to use different structures in order to express the tense, the correctly tense that we need to use. Let us begin talking a little bit about the wishes about the past. First of all, let's see the situation that we have here. This guy that you can see here in the presentation is David. And David had exam. That is a past action, right? So he had exam, but the thing is that he didn't study his lessons. And as a result, David failed the exam. And I want you to pay close attention to what David is thinking right now. Look at the presentation. It says, I wish I had studied my lessons. And that is actually the structure that we need to use to express wishes about the past. So now let's see the structure that we need to follow. First, we need to put a subject, as in all sentences that we do, followed by wish. After that, we need to put another subject or a second subject that is the one that is going to be receiving the action, right? And one important thing is that when expressing wishes about the past, we all the times are going to be using the past perfect tense. So after wish, we are going to use the past perfect tense when expressing wishes in the past. So don't forget that part because that is the structure that we need to follow every time we express wishes in the past or past actions. So that is why we are going to use had or hadn't as the auxiliary and the past participle form of the verb. Now take a look of the examples that we have right here on the presentation. I wish I hadn't eaten so much. This means that in the past, this person ate so much food and he wished the opposite, right? So the second example says, I wish she had done her homework. As you can see, we have the first clause, which is I wish, and then we have the second subject, that is the one that is performing the action, which is she, and we have the past perfect tense, had done her homework, right? So it means that she didn't do her homework, and that is what it expressed the wish that she might be get it done, but she didn't. And then we have a question because we can also do questions with this part of grammar. So the question says, do they wish they had joined a gym? And it means that it is asking if they really wanted to join a gym in the past, right? Because all these actions took place in the past. And the last example says she wishes the train had been on time. It means that the train was not on time as she was expecting, and that is why she's expressing that wish. So that is the way that we need to follow to use the wishes about the past. And there are another structures to express wishes in the present and in the future. So let us listen carefully to my classmate, and she will be giving you more details about the other structures to express wishes.
Good morning, the teacher and the classmate. My name is Fatima Lizat Barrera Escobar, and I will continue to explain more about this topic. The wishes about the present or the future. We can use the wish to tell about the something that we would like to be different in the present or the future. It's used for things which are impossible or very unlikely. We don't usually use wish in this day way for things, and they are really impossible in the future. Instead, we use hope. Is the very important is the when the original sentence is the affirmative, you must change it to the negative form. When the original sentence is the present, go back to the past, and if it is the past, go to perfect. First structure. The subject plus wish plus object plus past simple verbs. For example one is the I wish I spoke Italian. She wishes she were on the beach. Uh, Three example is the he wishes we didn't need to the work today. And for example is I wish I had a big the house. Uh, True structure is the wish plus past continuous. Is used to explain that we want to be done different action in the present or the future. For example, uh, example one is the I wish in the warrants running. Example two, the she wishes you weren't learning to the tomorrow. Example three is the I wish I was shopping on the mall. If for example is the wish wishing we were going to the university. The structure in the wish about the future, in the wish plus if only plus will plus could plus wish. For example, is the I wish if only you would come on the to the party. Two example is the usually hope is used to stay for if they wish to tell about the future. And three example is the I hope you come to the party. Never use the will after I wish on the if only. The another use the of wish in the wish on the model used to express the disgust or the irritation for about the something that is happening that probably cannot be remedied. And three example. Example one is the I wish you would stop smoking. Two example is I wish would to try. Three example is I wish it would stop the running. Another is the wish plus two. When we use to the series followed by an infinity verse, the side means to the same as when but is the more formal. We don't normally use which in the continuum for when we use it with an infinity. And through example. Example 1 is that I do not wish to publish in this article. Example 2 is that I wish go to new. Example 3 is I wish to speak to the box. And the fixed the expression. I wish you the happy birthday. I too we wish you good luck in your new job. Thanks for the watching.